Hello friends. Welcome back to another exciting update on the world of airdrops and mining. Today, we're diving into some big news about the Geek Airdrop and a brand new update that has just been announced. This update is important because it involves eligibility for claiming your tokens, and I'm here to guide you step by step through the entire process. So, make sure to watch this video until the end because I'll not only explain how to check your eligibility but also give you all the necessary details to ensure you don't miss out. First things first, mining inside the Geek Airdrop has officially stopped. That's right, the mining phase has been halted, and now we are transitioning into a new phase of the airdrop. This phase is all about qualifying for the token rewards. The process will begin on November 16th. So it's important to prepare in advance. Additionally, there's a key announcement from the Geek team that I'll share with you. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let me remind you that in the description of this video, I've included the link to another exciting real airdrop. Airdrop Opportunity Alert. This other airdrop is not just any random one. It's a well-structured project with a listing scheduled for November 30th. If you join this airdrop now, you'll receive tokens this very month, which means the potential for good profits is high. This is a great opportunity for those of you who are looking to dive into real airdrops that have promising rewards and legitimate backing. So, check out the link in the description and don't miss your chance to participate. How to qualify and claim your tokens. Now, let's get back to the Geek Airdrop update. As per the latest announcement from their community, here's what you need to do to qualify and eventually claim your tokens. 1. Mining phase halted. The mining process that was previously active has now been stopped by the team. This means that no new mining activities will take place. However, don't worry. If you've already mined tokens, you will still be able to reclaim them as long as you meet the eligibility criteria. 2. Eligibility check starts on November 16th. From November 16th, the team will begin checking eligibility for the airdrop. If you are eligible, you will be able to claim your tokens. If you're wondering about the steps to check your eligibility, don't worry, I'll guide you through that shortly. 3. Token listing on Onus Exchange. The tokens you receive will be listed on Onus Exchange, with the listing date set for November 18th. That's when you'll be able to withdraw and trade the tokens for potential profits. Steps to qualify for the Geek Airdrop. Here are the steps you need to follow to qualify for and claim your tokens. 1. Join the official Geek channel. First, join the official Telegram channel for Geek. This is a requirement and will also keep you updated with the latest announcements. 2. Connect your wallet. You'll need to connect your wallet to the Geek platform. If you're unsure how to do this, don't worry, I'll explain the process in detail. 3. Link your account. After connecting your wallet, you'll need to link your account with Geek. This is a simple process and doesn't require any complex steps. 4. No KYC required. One of the best things about this process is that KYC, Know Your Customer, verification is not required. This means you can complete the steps quickly without submitting any identification documents. How to claim your tokens on Onus Exchange. Once your eligibility is confirmed on November 16th, the next step will be claiming your tokens. Here's how to do it. 1. Download the Onus Exchange app. Head over to your app store and download the Onus Exchange app. This will make it easy for you to manage your tokens and complete withdrawals. 2. Complete basic KYC, optional. While Geek doesn't require KYC for the airdrop, it's a good idea to complete basic verification on the Onus Exchange to avoid any potential issues during withdrawals. 3. Connect your TON wallet. You'll need to connect your TON wallet to the platform. Once connected, you can proceed to make a small TON transaction, which costs around $2.50 to $2.60. If you don't have TON coins, you can purchase them easily or contact the support team for assistance. 4. Complete the TON transaction. After making the transaction, wait for it to be processed. Once it's done, the claim option will become available on the platform. 5. Claim your tokens. Click on the Claimed button to retrieve your tokens. It's that simple. Remember, the eligibility check starts on November 16th, and the tokens will be listed on November 18th. Make sure to complete all the steps beforehand so you're ready to claim and withdraw your tokens as soon as the listing goes live. I'll keep you updated with the latest developments about the Geek Airdrop and any other exciting opportunities, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notifications. That way, you'll never miss an important update. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might benefit from these opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a great day.